With thousands of live video feeds being distributed around the world via TVU Grid, not only do you need a way to stay in sync with the stories happening now, you need to be able to easily and accurately assess content and go live wherever you are. TVU MediaSource gives you two ways to monitor multiple full-frame previews of live video feeds and take these feeds live to your TV receiver. You can also subscribe to the TVU MediaSource RSS feed to be notified about new stories as they're happening. First, let's cover the easiest way to monitor multiple feeds at once. To do this in MediaSource, you can use the Live Monitor panel to display all of the live feeds that your account can preview. Click on the monitor icon on the top right corner to open the Live Monitor panel. You'll see the current slug description overlaid on each of the live video previews. You can click the unmute icon to hear the feed. If you want to take a feed live to your TV receiver, click on the eye icon on the bottom right of the source to open the Go to Live panel. You might also want to check what is happening in a single feed. In the timeline view, you can open the Go to Live panel for any individual feed by clicking on the Go to Live button to its right. Once you've selected a feed to view in the Go to Live panel, click on the Select Destination drop-down menu under the preview. Select the receiver you want to take the feed live to, and then click Take. Select the maximum duration that you want to take the feed live to your receiver, and click Start. You can add more time by clicking on the Add Time icon at the bottom right. If you need to stop the feed, click the red Stop button. To quickly see all of the feeds that you're live with, click on the Live Feeds panel at the top right. If you want to be notified of new events through an RSS feed, click on the RSS icon at the top right of the page to see the published news slugs and subscribe to notifications about new stories and feeds. TVU MediaSource allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of news happening now and go live with the feeds you need from wherever you are.